In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer crypto from Revolut to a wallet. So just follow these steps. Now, the first thing you want to do is open the Revolut app on your phone. And once it opens, tap on the Crypto tab at the bottom. Now after that, scroll through the list of cryptocurrencies and tap on the crypto you want to send. So for example, I'm going to select Bitcoin. Now once you're on the crypto page, tap the three dots button in the bottom right, then click on Send. Now on the next screen, you need to enter the recipient wallet address. So you can either paste the crypto address manually or tap on the QR code icon and scan the wallet address. Now after that, enter a wallet name so you can easily recognize it later. Now once all the details are filled in, just tap Continue, review the information, and confirm the transaction. Now after confirming, your crypto will be sent from Revolut to the wallet address you entered. And that's it. That's how you transfer crypto from Revolut to any wallet. If this helped you out, please subscribe. It really helps me out as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.